Hello friends, welcome again to the class on consumer behavior. Today the topic of discussion is the factors influencing consumer buying behavior. Consumer is a human being and a social being also. Therefore, his behavior may be influenced by personal and social factors. We know that human wants and desires are unlimited, but the means to satisfy them are limited. Because of this limitation, he is compelled to make a choice from many. Here in this class, our intention is to find out and classify the factors affecting consumers in their buying decisions. The factors can be broadly classified as internal factors, external factors, and marketing factors. Internal factors may be personal and psychological factors. External factors are the social and other environmental factors such as cultural factors, economic factors, etc. Marketing factors include the marketing mix elements such as product, price, place, and promotion. The level and nature of influence of these factors on buying behavior may vary person to person. Some factors may have direct influence on consumers and some others may have indirect influence. Perhaps some of these may not have any influence at all. We can look at these factors. At first, the internal factors. It consists of personal and psychological factors. We can see what personal factors are affecting consumer buying behavior. It includes age, gender, economic condition, lifestyle, occupation, marital status, and family role of the consumer. Psychological factors are motivation, perception, beliefs and attitude, involvement, personality, learning and memory, information processing, etc. When we think about personal factors, age is an important factor which has potential impact on the consumer buying behavior. Little children like to buy toys. Teenagers may be interested in fashion clothes and youth may like two-wheelers. It is very clear that the consumer buying behavior changes with the passage of time. Gender is another personal factor which has high influence on the buying behavior. Gender differences are very clear in purchases like ornaments, dress materials, chappals, etc. Based on the cultural and social differences, male and female buying habits may have variations. Consumer economic condition also has a great influence on his buying behavior. Individuals with high income would buy expensive and premium products. On the other hand, a person with low income and savings would spend mostly on necessary items. Lifestyle of consumers is another important factor affecting the consumer buying behavior. Lifestyle refers to the way a person lives in a society. Some lead simple lifestyle while some others prefer luxury styles. The products demanded by these people vary according to their style of living. Occupation, it is another factor. Social status and income level of persons are highly dependent on occupation. Certain occupations require special uniforms and related items. Society assigns certain types of products to certain jobs based on the status and income level. We often expect that a top class business executive should travel to his office in a luxury car. Marital status is the other factor. Purchase habits shown by people before and after marriage are different. When a person gets married, his purchase habit is changed to a great extent. It may be because of his concerns over his family. Family role, it is another relevant factor which decides buying behavior. Family roles such as father, mother, children, etc. are having different roles and responsibilities in the family. And therefore, their purchase behavior will also be different accordingly. The second category is psychological factors. Motivation is an important element under this category. The level of motivation affects the buying behavior of consumers. Motivation is generated from needs. It is quite natural that an individual who is thirsty would definitely spend money for soft drinks or packaged water or for juice. Another factor is perception. What an individual thinks about a particular product or service is based on his perception towards the same. Different persons perceive similar products differently due to these differences in the way they interpret information. Because of this, persons with the same needs need not purchase similar products. Another factor is beliefs and attitude. Beliefs and attitudes are also affecting buying behavior. These are learned predispositions towards people, objects, and events. Gandhiji preferred vegetarian food and khadi clothes because of his belief and attitude. It may develop from religious or social life. A product might be really good, but if the consumer believes it is useless, he would never buy it. Next, we can see involvement. Involvement refers to the relevance or importance of a product that a consumer perceives in a given situation. Involvement may be different to different persons. Depending on the value and personal interest, a consumer can have a high or low involvement. When a professional photographer buys a camera, mostly it will be a high involvement purchase. Personality, it is also has an important role in determining buying behavior. Every individual has his own characteristics and personality traits. Some individuals prefer premium brands and costly products because of these personality preferences. It is said that one can be assessed on the basis of goods he buys, because consumers always prefer goods matching to their personality. Another factor is learning and memory. Learning comes through experience. An individual comes to know about a product and a service only after he uses the same. A consumer who is satisfied with a particular product will show a strong inclination towards buying the same product again, because learning is always connected to memory. The learned things are usually kept in the memory. Whenever a decision is required, mind make use of this learned information kept in the memory. Information processing is the next factor affecting buying behavior. All consumers analyze and process the information they receive. Consumers assimilate and evaluate selective information, and this reflects on their motives, attitudes, personality, and self-concept. Same information can be evaluated in a different manner by different individuals. When a boy demands ice cream, he may think about the taste, but his mother objects the demand, fearing the health issues it may create. Now we can look at the external factors. The first one, the social factors. Under this category, there are reference groups, family role and status. Reference group means the group of people who advise and guide people in their buying decisions. Such people may be the opinion leaders, co-workers, family members, relatives, neighbors, friends, seniors at workplace, etc. often form these reference groups. Consumers often value the opinion of these people whenever they take a purchase decision. Family life cycle is the other factor. It consists of different stages seen in family life, such as young singles, married couples, unmarried couple, aged parents, etc. etc. Roles and responsibilities of persons belonging to different stages will be different, and thus their buying behaviors also differ accordingly. Social status of a person also plays important role in consumer decision making. In every society there may be different social classes such as upper class, middle class and lower class. A person from an upper class would spend on luxurious items and usually follows a luxurious lifestyle. But persons belonging to lower classes would buy items required for their survival. In addition to social factors, some other factors also influence consumer buying behavior. Cultural factors are one among them. It comprises of a set of values and ideologies of a particular community or group of people. It generally includes culture and subculture. What an individual learns from his parents, relatives and society can be termed as culture. We celebrate festivals and special days because of this culture. Each culture contains different subcultures based on religions, geographic regions, racial groups, etc. All these cultural and subcultural factors are highly influencing consumers in their buying behavior. Economic factors also affect consumers. The consumer buying habits and decisions are greatly dependent on the economic situation of a country or a market. When a nation is prosperous, the economy is strong and it leads to greater money supply in the market. Such a strong economy increases purchasing power of consumers, and such consumers will purchase more. Then we come to next category, marketing factors. It includes elements in marketing mix such as product, price, place and promotion. The first one, product. Product has a power to influence consumer buying behavior. Product features such as brand, quality, design, color, taste, size, shape, utility, packaging, etc. can motivate consumers. Another important factor is price. Price is one of the most important factors considered for rational decision making. A consumer can buy goods only if it is affordable to him. Price is usually compared with the utility derived out of it. Comparing with the prices of competing goods also possible. Thus, price plays an important role in decisions. Place is the next factor under marketing mix. It ensures the availability of the product, location of the store, parking facilities, convenience to the customers, wide selection, space arrangement, layout of the shop, etc. are considered here. All these features of place can motivate consumers for a purchase decision. Promotion promotion is the last item in the marketing mix. However, it is one of the most influential factors. It includes advertisements and other sales promotion activities of the marketers. Offers, discount sales, coupons, gift, etc. are generally used by marketers to attract consumers. Consumers may take their buying decisions motivated on this. Okay, so far we have been discussing the various factors affecting the consumers in their buying decisions. We can make detailed discussions on these factors in the coming classes.